Hi, guys, welcome back to Top Capable. I believe some of you guys have already got your new iPhone 14 and want to transfer all your data to your new phone. So, in today's video, I'm gonna show you 2 quick and free ways to move all your data to your new iPhone 14, 14 Pro, and also iPhone 14 Pro Max. Let's start. Alright. The first and easiest way to transfer your data is to set up your new iPhone 14 using the Quick Start. This method only works for the transfer on a totally fresh iPhone. So if you've set up your iPhone 14 already, you may have to erase everything on your new iPhone and reset it to factory settings. If that's not what you want, you can try a third-party tool called iPhone Data Transfer, which won't ask you to return your iPhone 14 to factory settings before the transfer. And it transfers data from one iPhone to another directly without erasing anything on any of your device. I will drop its link below this video, so you can easily click it to know more about. Alright, to get your previous data on your new iPhone 14, first, make sure to turn on your new iPhone. And then, place it next to your old iPhone, just like I do. Place these two phones near each other. Alright, now, start setting up the new iPhone 14. We just simply set up the iPhone. And soon, the Quick Start screen will show up. And on your old iPhone, you'll be given the option to set up your new iPhone with your current Apple ID. So now, tap on Continue on your old device. And after that, you're gonna see a scanning circle on your old iPhone. Now, we're going to use this old phone to scan the animation on your new iPhone 14. And then you'll be asked to enter your current iPhone passcode on the new iOS device. So we just follow the on-screen instructions and input the passcode. And when you do, you'll be asked whether you'd like to move data from another iPhone. Here, we just tap on Continue to transfer all your data and settings directly to your new iPhone 14. And keep going, follow the steps, and the transfer will start automatically. We just need to keep these two phones near each other. And if you've a lot of data on your old iPhone, you can plug both your iPhones into power, as the transfer may take much time here. When it's all done, as you can see, all my current data has been moved to the new iPhone 14 successfully. And next, I'm gonna show you how to transfer data from your previous iPhone to your new iPhone 14 using your iCloud backups. And to transfer your iCloud backup to your iPhone 14, you will need a full backup of your previous iPhone data in your iCloud. And like Quick Start, the target iPhone you're transferring data to should be a totally new device. If you have your iPhone 14 set up before the transfer, still, you'll need to factory reset it and return it to its default state. So now, let's start the transfer to your new iPhone 14. First, go through the setup on your iPhone 14. And during the setup process, you will meet the Wi-Fi screen, so as the same, make your iOS devices join the same Wi-Fi. And we continue to set up the new iPhone 14. When you reach the Apps and Data screen, you can easily find the option, Restore from iCloud Backup. So now, tap on it. And then, here, you'll be asked to log into your iCloud account using your Apple ID and the password. So, enter the Apple ID and password you used to set up your current iPhone. Once in, choose an available backup that you want to transfer to your iPhone 14. Make sure you select the right backup, or you'll have to do all this once again. Alright, keep your iPhones on, and wait for the data transfer to finish. Depending on how much data you're transferring, the time it's gonna take varies. To avoid interruption, you can keep both your iPhones plugged into power after the setup. And all your current data will be downloaded to your new iPhone 14 from your iCloud backups. However, as we know, iCloud only offers each Apple user 5 GB of cloud storage for free. this is not enough to transfer all your current data to a new iPhone 14. In that case, you may want to try some third-party tools to get the data transfer done. And as I said before, the iPhone data transfer is a very good one. It won't erase anything on your new iPhone 14, and has no data limit. If you're interested about it, you can click the link in the video description below to have a free trial. Alright, that's how you can transfer your data to a new iPhone 14 for free. The methods we talked about are also available for other iOS devices like iPhone 14 Pro, iPhone 14 Pro Max. And if you found this video helpful, please give us a like and feel free to share it with anyone who may need this. Thanks for watching, I'll catch you next time.